Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 very easy back to school hairstyles. Obviously, these aren't just for back to school, but since it's back to school time, everybody's trying to get back into the groove. These 3 easy hairstyles will get you through the day and make you feel really cute. Okay, you guys, so now that I've got my extensions on, we're gonna go ahead and pull the style together. And this is just gonna be a really loose half up style. So what I'm gonna do here is just kind of use my fingertips to gather like a small amount of hair from the very top. Okay guys, now that you've gathered a small amount of hair on top, you're gonna secure it with a little small elastic, nothing too tight, just like so. So now what I'm going to do with this little small ponytail is I'm going to take the hair and I'm going to just put it in like a loose knot, just like so. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a bobby pin and just secure this little loose knot so that it stays. To get started, you're going to take a diagonal section from mostly of the crown topper. If you have more hair than I do around your hairline, then go ahead and grab some of it with it. But for me, I don't have a whole lot of hair volume, so you're gonna see me grab mostly the extension hair. And what I'm gonna do is evenly create 3 sections to start my French braid. Now you can do this overhand or underhand, whichever is easiest for you or whichever you like. Now I'm going to go overhand for this one, and I'm just going to create a French braid. So now I'm just going to pull out each little braid so that it makes the braid a bit thicker. So from here to secure it, you can either secure it on the top of all your hair with a bobby pin, or you can secure it just slightly under to where it kind of disappears into your hair, whichever you like the best. So for this third hairstyle, I wanted to do something a little shorter and then obviously a straight style for you guys. So this is gonna be a really easy, cute little pompadour right here. I love this hairstyle, it's so easy and quick. We hope you found this video to be very helpful and it answered all your questions. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us via email at accounts@hiddencrown.com. Make sure to find us on our other social media platforms below, and check out these videos that correlate with the video you just watched.